just left of the elk.
Yep. Okay. Okay. Left at 1 1/4.
Left 1 1/4.
That'll work. Good shot. Yo, you hit. All right, I'm perfect kill zone.
2100, right?
Half, whatever.
Nice shot. Kill zone. Check. Been over 6 seconds. Check your wind.
Halfway.
Yeah, he did. Nice shot.
It's just practice.
I am now filming. It's on you. All on you guys.
Half minute. You have to go ahead and load. Lock and load.
So what do you mean?
Dead bear. Nice shot.
Yeah, that was nice.
Sure.
1/4.
So you say right on.
Ready?
Put it right on. Good.
Nice shot.
Yeah.
Yep.
Right on.
10.5, right? You know what's funny is my guns.
Nice shot. Perfect.
Perfect.
There you go. Yep, the ram at 420. Nice shot. Good job. All right, stand by for the next animal. Everybody else, try to get a 1 shot, 1 kill. Check your rain angle. Perfect.
Parallax if you need to. Barely a quarter.
Which way? Is it left or right?
Barely a quarter. Push left.
Push left 1/4.
Follow it.
Ready?
Nice shot. Great shot. Good job.